Back off. It means to retreat or withdraw from a situation or confrontation. Example, back off. I don't want to argue with you anymore. Crash out. It means to fall asleep quickly, often due to exhaustion. Example, after the long day at work, I just crashed out on the couch. Feel down. Means to feel sad or depressed. Example, I've been feeling down since I heard the bad news. Stand by. Means to be ready and waiting to act. Example, please stand by, we will announce the winner shortly. Hook up. Mean to meet someone or to start a relationship, often casual. Example, we should hook up this weekend and catch up. Lighten up. Means to become less serious or worried. Example, come on, lighten up. It's not the end of the world. Blackout. Means to lose consciousness. Example, he blacked out after standing in the sun for too long. Cover up. Means to hide something, especially a mistake or a crime. Example, the company tried to cover up the environmental disaster. Talk back. Means to reply defiantly or disrespectfully. Example, don't talk back to your mother like that. Bump into. Means to meet someone unexpectedly. Example, I bumped into an old friend at the grocery store today. See off. Means to go to the place that someone is leaving from to say goodbye to them. Example, we went to the airport to see off our friends. Hit on. Means to show romantic interest in someone. Example, he was hitting on her all night at the party. Pitch in. Means to contribute or help. Example, if we all pitch in, we can finish this task quickly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.